Hello there. Right, in this video I'm going to take you through what you need to be aware of when creating your thumbnails. I'm going to do a second video which basically will show you different techniques of ways to put the thumbnails together. Okay, but in this one I'm just going to kind of go through the principles. Okay, so the first thing that we need to be aware of is the thumbnail size for the platform that we're going to put them on. It is good practice to use the correct size per platform. Okay, so just a quick chart here that shows you YouTube and Facebook 1280 by 720. LinkedIn's a bit different with the 1200 by 627. Then you got Instagram, I've got their 650 by 650. But at the end of the day, the reels, which is really the video stuff which we want to focus on, are 420 by 654. And then TikTok, they say they have a 162 by 162 pixel area, but the safe area within that is 144 by 144. Okay, so essentially be aware of which platform you're putting on. It really is quite basic. The best thing to do is create a template where you can then just change the image and the text, and then you've got each template for each platform that you're using, and all you have to do is just change the text and stuff like that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is including yourself. All right, so basically I have a prop here. Okay, one thing I like to do is I like to use my little prop. I got my little wow board or whatever. I'll do some writing on it which will help me use additional text. Then I'll record myself and pull faces, you know, and then what I do is I make myself transparent, and then, or not me transparent, but the background, and then I can put myself in my thumbnail. Okay, but as I say, I'll do more about that in the next video. The next thing we need to do is we need to use text. Now, when it comes to text, there's several things you need to consider. Don't use lots of text. You want to use really short, sharp, punchy text that will engage with people. Okay, and make it nice and big, right? The other thing you want to do is use color, right? Use color to attract people's attention. The thing is about text as well, be aware which platform you put in your thumbnail on, because, for example, YouTube, YouTube puts puts the time there. So if you put text there, it's going to be covered by the time in the thumbnail. Okay, so yeah, use color, be bright, be bold. Okay, when I do my thumbnails, I like to lift the background of the text off using shadow as well. But as I say, I'll talk more about that in the next video. Okay, the other thing is, be honest. Okay, don't lie. If you lie in your thumbnail, when people then watch your video, they will literally just not want to watch any more of your content. Okay, so be honest. The other thing is, don't be afraid to experiment and do different thumbnails, different styles, and just play with them. Some of the main YouTubers, they actually create multiple thumbnails and then they do different testing from different things. Okay, so yeah, feel free to experiment. On a sub note, when you do create your thumbnail and you save it, make sure you label it correctly. The file name shouldn't be thumbnail1, because then when the search engines come along and they're indexing things, if it's, for example, on your YouTube channel, YouTube comes along and goes thumbnail1. It should be the title of your video. It should be keywords about what you do. With Windows, you've got 256 characters for a file name. I don't know about Mac. Please don't ask me about that. I don't have one and I never will. So yeah, do your file name correctly, because then the search engines can work out what your content's about. Okay. So really, that is it. In the next video, I will take you through how to create the thumbnails. But basically, I'm afraid that video will only be for Video Creator Club members. If you are interested in finding out more about the Video Creators Club and how it helps people create video content for themselves, then feel free to get in touch. But at the end of the day, from me, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.